have a rotisserie chicken in the fridge and need some ideas for lunch? Let me show you 3 quick and easy chicken wrap ideas that will use up all your rotisserie chicken. We'll start today with a chicken club wrap. Sizzle away some crispy bacon. Dice your rotisserie chicken into pieces. Using leftover rotisserie chicken for this recipe makes everything so easy. Now let's wash and thinly slice a tomato. Tomatoes will ensure your wraps stay juicy. Let's add some washed and dried lettuce to this wrap. Don't forget your sizzling bacon from before. And some cheese of your choice to top it off. You could also use sliced cheese here. Now let me show you the secret to how the restaurants make your wrap so yummy. Turn your stove to medium heat. Put a flour tortilla onto a pan and heat it up for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. This not only warms up the tortilla, but makes it easier to fold later on. Put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise onto your tortilla. Spread it evenly around the tortilla. Doing this will ensure you have sauce with every bite. Add your chicken from before, followed by your favorite type of cheese, and sizzling bacon. Now it's time for our veggies. Add your thinly sliced tomatoes and your green leaf lettuce. It's wrapping time! Bring up the bottom of the wrap, followed by both sides, and roll it right over. Shall we look at our masterpiece together? Restaurant-style chicken club wrap. Craving a Caesar salad but need to eat it with one hand? No problem. Into a bowl, add some romaine lettuce, followed by some chicken, and diced bacon or bacon bits. Top off your salad with some croutons and some Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to drizzle on your favorite Caesar salad dressing. It's tossing time! Let's toss our Caesar salad. If you're serving your wrap right away, feel free to warm up the tortilla. And add your Caesar salad onto this tortilla. Make sure you don't overfill. Here's some wrapping tips. Make sure you keep every fold of this wrap tight so nothing explodes. Deliciously crunchy chicken Caesar wrap. Last but not least, my favorite wrap, the Greek chicken wrap. Be serving this wrap cool. Onto a flour tortilla, add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of tzatziki and spread it on evenly just like we did before. Now add some chicken and let's bring on the vegetables. Add some lettuce and some diced tomatoes, some diced cucumbers, and some thinly sliced onions. Now add some savory feta cheese, and for those olive lovers, you know what to do. It's wrapping time! And we're almost done our 3rd wrap. Wasn't it easy? A healthy Mediterranean Greek chicken wrap. And there you have it, 3 chicken wrap ideas that will leave you with no more chicken. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other leftover chicken recipes.